Hello, my name is Anton. I'm from Latvia. I work in Antons as a CNC machine worker. One of the good things in Denmark is that the salary is growing every year. We get a little bit more. And even if I work, for example, 15 minutes extra, they will be paid. I like that we are here equal. I can, for example, easily go and speak with a director or somebody from the office, and nobody thinks that he is higher than somebody else. And we always can come with our solutions or suggestions. Good things about working in Denmark: stability, safety, and career growth.